Hi there, students. To stammer and to stutter. A stammer and a stutter. Okay, this is when somebody speaks, but they have problems saying what they want to say. They usually either pause, exceptionally unusual pauses, or repeat sounds. So when somebody stutters, that's what happens. Okay, so this is a problem with speech. Yes, stuttering or stammering. It's a speech disorder which disrupts the flow of speech. Normally you repeat the beginning syllables of words again and again, or there are pauses which are not natural in the way that you speak. Okay, so this is a speech disorder, but we can also use these words much more metaphorically. We could use the verb to stutter to talk about a process that is not regular. It doesn't happen in a smooth and regular way. So the engine of the car began to stutter, and then it stopped completely. Okay, so the engine. Yeah, if you've ever run out of petrol in your car, you'll find it stutters and then it stops. Okay, okay, so the engine began to stutter. Our action plan is stuttering. It's not working in a regular or smooth way. Okay, so we need to do something about it. Yeah, the machine gun stuttered. It's to make a sound, a quick sound repeatedly. Yeah, and then to stammer. I think I would use the word to stammer metaphorically. When somebody is nervous, they stammer. Yeah, they are not very confident about what they're saying. Yeah, so the teacher said, "What's the answer?" And I stuttered out the answer. Yeah, the teacher accused him of cheating in the exam, and he stuttered his innocence. Okay, so I think you could use both stammer and stutter when you're talking, but you're not very confident about what you're saying. Yeah, I was so nervous and I was trembling so much that I thought I would stutter or stammer when I spoke. He stammered out the answer. He didn't say it confidently. Yeah, so we use these phrases stammer and stutter to talk about speaking with a lack of confidence. I've heard people say that a stammer and a stutter are linked to insecurity, but this is not true. It's been shown medically that this is not true. Okay, the word stutter as well you can use for something that starts and stops. Yeah, the car stuttered forward. The business was stuttering. Yeah, a little bit and then nothing, and a little bit and then nothing. Or I wouldn't use stammer in that way. Okay, so to stutter and to stammer. To stutter, when you can't say things clearly. For example, I'm told that the US President Joe Biden used to stutter. I haven't heard him stutter in a speech yet, but it could happen. Okay, so what about the origin? Okay, stutter, I think, comes from German, stossen, to strike against. Yeah, okay, to strike against. And then to stammer comes from, I think it's a mixture of stammerian, in Old English, meaning to stammer, and stumble, and it probably has a Germanic origin, but it's related to stumble, to trip, so you're tripping over your words. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Stammer and stutter.